Today we're with Miss Zhou talking about franchising in China. Franchising in China has really increased over the last 20 or so years, with brands like McDonald's and KFC really taking advantage and putting a big step forward in China. Could you please give us some further background to businesses that want to franchise in China?
There are several sets of regulations implemented by the Ministry of Commerce. Before this legal framework was established, foreign companies were not allowed to directly franchise in the PRC. Instead, they would have to either set up a Chinese company to carry out the franchising activities or form a joint venture with a Chinese partner that have foreign trading rights. Luckily, under the current legal framework, a foreign franchisor is permitted to directly franchise in a PRC from a foreign country. However, there are several stringent requirements that a foreign company must comply with before they can offer franchising opportunities in a PRC.
Could you please run us through some of the requirements?
First, only business entities can carry out franchise activities, which de facto would exclude small entrepreneurs without a registered company. Second, the company must own a registered trademark or a patent. And third, this is what is often referred to as the 2+1 rule. The company must have at least 2 franchisees and must have operated those 2 for at least 1 year. This is where many businesses fail at fulfilling these requirements. In addition, there are certain disclosure requirements that must be fulfilled. The business must provide disclosures which would include basic information of the franchise and its owner, and the financial statements and audit reports in the past 2 years. Additionally, these mandatory disclosures also include any negative information of the franchisor, such as the litigation that the company has been involved in, and the records of any illegal activity carried out by the franchisor. Last and most importantly, from the franchisee's perspective, the franchisor is required to provide copies of the template franchise agreement together with any other required contracts, as well as a model investment budget for a franchisee outlet. And please note that all documentation must be in Chinese.
Well, other than those strict legal requirements, are there any other factors businesses should consider when wanting to franchise in China?
There is a bright future for franchising in the PRC. There are 4 most important things to remember. First, make sure that you adhere to all the laws and regulations. Second, ensure that all your trademarks are registered. Third, train your employees in order to maintain consistency with the operations of the franchises. Last but not least, carefully select your local franchisees to maintain your current company standard. Failure to do these would incur serious consequences.
Okay. All right, well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.